I'm officially not being weird anymore. No doing weird sounds, no weird faces, okay? I'm not gonna be like disgusting and weird, but I might be funny still, but not like because it's annoying. I'm not doing that because it's weird now and I don't like it. Because one of my friends don't like it and I don't want her to not be friends with me, so I'm just not gonna be weird anymore. Because one of my other friends, I don't know if we're still friends, but she says it's funny, but I'm just not gonna do it. She won't get mad if I do it, because it's not even like, she won't get mad if I don't do it, because like, I don't know, it's my decision, because I don't like it. It's actually super weird. My parents don't like it. It's annoying. My sister don't like it. My whole family doesn't like it. My friends don't like it. One of my friends likes it, but I don't know how she likes it. I liked it at first, but I don't want to do it anymore. I just want to be a normal person. Like, I feel like that's why I don't have like a lot of subscribers, because like I'm weird like that. So I'm just gonna stop doing that. So subscribe if I should stop being weird and doing like okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop doing that. But subscribe if I should stop. Or I'm still gonna be like funny though. I'm just not gonna do that. Like, I mean, to comment if I should. Comment if I should keep going. Comment a funny emoji, like a emoji if you think I should keep doing weird stuff like that, but I don't think I am. It's annoying and I don't like it. And guys, I do have curly hair now.